Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1969 Javelin. Got the owner of many, many years. Gonna tell us a little bit about it. So how are we doing today, Steve?
We're doing okay, Mike.
So tell us a little about it.
I've had it 18 years.
Mm-hmm.
It's got approximately 41,000 miles on it. Everything has been basically redone that's needs to be. Aren't that many things. The transmission is rebuilt. It's the original tranny, original motor. It has one repaint 18 years ago.
Wow, shows like brand new. You bought it from a local guy, right?
I bought it from one of those stories, walking around the block, and just happened to see the car in the garage parked.
Wow. Sitting on Kragers with red lines, like brand new tires. It's badged up as a 390, but it's got the original 290 in it. Automatic transmission. Is this the original color?
Original color. The outside has been repainted, but not the door jambs, not inside the trunk, not inside the hood.
Wow. All original metal too, huh?
Yeah.
Original floors, trunk. Beautiful. Striped by a famous guy. Yeah, what a pretty car. You know, you just don't see these around anymore.
No, you'll see a lot more AMXs than you will Javelins. Basically the same car, only a two-seater as opposed to a four-seater on the Javelin.
Very cool. Like the old school sun gauges. Really cool. Showing 42,442 miles. It's original miles on this car.
Yeah, I bought it 18 years ago with 31,000 miles on it.
Wow. Old school audio box. That's great. Tissue holder. Shift command. About 30 degrees here today. Power steering, air conditioning. Love the Offenhauser valve covers. Honest car, you know?
Still cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Are you like the second or third owner?
I'm actually the second owner.
Wow.
Yeah, I bought it from the original owner. And he
guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com.